I'm starting to fit this side in, ready for some spot welds. Just lining up that first rib, and then those other ribs will bend into place as I go. I've got some tacks down to hold this in. I need to get this in a bit more. So I'm going to hit it with a hammer and dolly. It's got the stubby cooler. So I don't really want to put any indentations in. That dolly looks pretty close to the shape that I need. Put that in the stubby cooler. Again, doesn't matter if I damage the stubby cooler, it's only like 20 cents worth of rubbish. Put that in position. Okay, so starting to get to where I need it to be. I'm starting to get in shape here. Before I go any further, I've still got to fit the inside a bit better, so then I can pull the bottom out and start spot welding everywhere else, getting it all into place. If that pulls up against there and gets welded to the frame, that piece will bend that way. So there's still a fair bit I've got to do before I can continue welding. Where these holes are, there's a structural piece of metal on the other side that holds the firewall, the floor, all together, making it structurally sound. So I'm using my homemade telescopic tool. I've got the first one pushed in. I'm going to spot weld that there and then slowly work my way up, and this will also help push the floor into shape where it needs to go. Got the handmade floor panel in, all welded up on the inside. I'm going to put some of my metal saver on it that I've made until I can get to painting it. Pulled the old seal up on the ridge there out.